Hey guys, so quick video. If you have the Harbor Breeze fan and the remote is not working, so I was looking how you can possibly fix this issue for the Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. So what you need to do is like pretty simply, you need to check the battery, ensure the remote has a fresh working battery, then you just want to turn off the fan power, cut the power to the fan by switching it off at the breaker, prepare the remote, remove the back cover of the remote and have it ready. Then you just want to turn the power back on, restart the power of the fan by turning the breaker back on, and then reset the remote. So use a paperclip to press and hold the reset or repair button on the remote. So when you're gonna have the remote, and then you just want to look here and you just want to look on a repair and reset it, right? So do these things, and you can even like take out the batteries and put them back in, and then you just want to pair the remote. So that's the thing that you want to do. And have a great day and goodbye.